Yeah, another one. Guess what, guys? Today, we taking a ride. Yeah, I gotta go complete the registration for the Durango. So that means I need some new boots too. These things are so old, they've been in the garage so long that the heat has totally destroyed them. But anyhow, the Durango has an incomplete registration, so I gotta go complete the registration. And after we complete the registration, I am gonna go to the new shop that's going to fix Nisa, which is No Drama's truck, the one that she had when I first met her, and it became the shop truck until Amir crashed it up. So anyway, I'm about to get on the road, head down to Mesquite, which is the high desert. That's the one that I told you guys takes me an hour and a half to drive, which is why I'm going to ride today, because if I ride, it should probably take me an hour. So, no more delays. Let's get at it. Starts right up. Let's check pretty. Oh, and she starts right up too. Beautiful. It's gonna be a beautiful day. And this is why bikes are always good for traffic. This is ridiculous. Can you imagine this for an hour and a half? What an hour and a half ride turns into? Let's get at it. So guys, I'm back at the DMV. The same one that I was at the other day. Oh man. You guys don't even want to know how that ride was. Oh my goodness. It was torture. I'm out of breath, and I understand now why they call it the high desert. Those winds are constantly trying to throw you off of the bike. I thought I was about to end up in the land of Oz or something, man. I was like, you had to see my lean angle. My lean angle was like I was on the racetrack and I was on the straightaway. It's crazy, man. And now everything from my waist down is just cramping. I'm totally cramped up. I could barely walk. I gotta find something to eat though. Alright, so security told me that there's a cool little Mexican spot to grab something to eat, because the queue is telling me I still have 2.5 hours. And it told me I still had 2.5 hours 2.5 hours ago. So I'm gonna go over here and get me something to eat real quick. We're gonna start it off like this with the chips. Man, I was walking up here and I got nervous because I didn't see my bike. And it's parked between these two pillars. I was about to bug out. But anyway, I got another hour in the queue waiting. So let's get in here.
3 days later.
Yeah, yo, so as y'all can see, I'm finally done. I'm at this new fancy schmancy Shell station. This is crazy. Damn, that's all? $13? Anyway, I'll explain to you guys what happened when I get home, but it was crazy. It was crazy in there. Correction, $17. Can you guys hear this wind? This is what I'm gonna have to deal with. Every bumperclad, part of my body from the waist down is cramped up. I'll see y'all when I get home. So ladies and gentlemen, I made it back in one piece. I don't feel like I'm in one piece because, like I said, that wind was trying to blow me to another faraway land. It was crazy, man. But look at all the bugs on here. Man. And I wiped it down before I left. But yeah, that's just crazy. I'm not even going to talk about the speeds that I reached on the way home because I'm not going to incriminate myself, but let's say they were ungodly. I'm trying to tell you. You know what I wonder, man? Why do they make things that go that fast if it's against the law to go that fast? Why do they make stuff that can do 200 miles an hour and the speed limit is 65 or 75 miles an hour? Y'all hit me down in the comments and let me know that. Please. So I'm going to give you guys this one. I'm not sure if it's going to be in this episode or the next, but it's a simple mod for this. Very, very simple, but very tasteful and very necessary if you ask me. See the fog light? We're going to change that. And if you guys remember what I did to the E60, to the fog lights on the E60, you'll know what I'm talking about. Until then, you're going to have to wait to see. Now that that's out of the way, on to more important business. Matters of the box and the contents of the box.
California, stay away from here. Stay away from here now. Don't come in here.
That is the E60 update. Hit me down in the comments real quick. Let me know what you guys think is in the box.
With the box? Who's in the box? What's in the box?
Not until you give me the
What's in the fucking box?
I'll give you 5 seconds. Okay, time's up. Let's get right to it. What's in the box, guys? What's in the box? The new E60 update, upgrade, whatever you want to call it. Hold on.
God! Oh, God! Oh!
All right, this is me unboxing. We ain't gonna get all pretty with it. Unboxing the new mod for the E60. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, the new mod for the E60. Booyaka. The new kidney grill with the carbon fiber lip. But you know no good. Hit me down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this. Alright guys. What do you think? Is this a yay or a nay? When you see what this is leading up to, for those who don't like it, when you see what it's leading up to, you will soon become a believer and you will soon like this. Because there's something else behind this. Trust me. Hit me down in the comments, man. Let me know if y'all like them. All right, guys. Here is the mod. To begin with, for the Dodge Durango. Give me 1 sec. Hit me, as a matter of fact, hit me down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think this simple mod is. While I go get the key to start it up, you guys hit me down in the comments. Let me know what you think this mod is. All right, guys, so tell me what you think the mod is. Your time is up. All I'm gonna give you is that you're staring at it. Now let's get right into it. Well, sorry guys, that one was a fail. The prongs were not matching. They were basically they're the wrong lights, but I was trying to put the yellow lights in, give it a meaner look, more aggressive look, and didn't work out. So I have to send those back and get the new yellow ones that do fit. You know, that's the breaks when you're dealing with stuff that is not in front of your face that you can, you know, look at right there, you know. It is what it is. This is, you know, one monkey don't stop no show. Anyway, on to better stuff. Other stuff, because I really like that mod. So let's get it.